Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to try the crochet butterfly locks. What we're gonna need is the crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and then of course the hair. So I'm doing a couple different colors here. So I got 3 packs of the blonde, the 613 blonde, and this is by NATURALHAIR. So I'm hoping this is enough. As you can see, it's not that many in the pack. It's very thin, and maybe about 4, 8. So it's about 10 in a pack. About 10 in a pack in this. So I purchased 2 packs of the color 27. And then I purchased 3 packs of the color 1. So I've already separated everything. I've already braided down everything. So I'm gonna have some individuals in the front here, like so. And then this is what it looks like in the back. It's a nice breakdown. All right, so we have that. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the back and then work my way up to the front. So let's bun this little part right here. I'm gonna put like a, so I seen the Sierra's hair, and she has the faux locks, and they were so beautiful with the 3 different colors. So I was like, okay, I've always wanted to try this, so why not today? I just hope I have enough hair. I'm not sure about that. Also, the length that I chose for this is gonna be 24 inches. So we're going 24 inches today. I hate that there is so little in a pack, right? Like, it sucks. All right, so I'm gonna use my crochet hook to tuck my braid. So I'm just gonna use the crochet hook under the braid and pull the end of my braid through it. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until the braid is completely gone. All right, so all done here. So I'm going to pick the black one first. I'm going to use this hook and put 2 of my fingers through here like so. And it just makes it easier for me to use the hook. So latch it on, pull it through. Put 2 fingers in there again and simply pull the thread on through. Just like that. Simple, folks. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So take another black one, put 2 fingers through your loop, crochet hook under the braid, latch on, 2 fingers, and pull through. Now these were a little bit rough, but you know, we made it happen. So I'm going to use the black ones and spread them out and then go in with the other colors. So right now we're just spreading them out, randomly putting them in. Don't even matter where, as long as they're spread it out. And then we'll go in and fill it out with the color. All right, y'all, so we are done and it's in. So I've already pulled the hair through most of the dreads, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I did that. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna pull this and start down here. I'm just gonna work it in there. Let's try this again because that's not working. Okay. Alright, so now that we have that one in there, okay, let's try to pull through. Oof. Right. So it's pulled through. And then you just stretch this guy back out. As you can see, this piece here. Try to come out where the hair is. Alright, so now we're out. I'm just gonna grab this little piece of hair and I got it secured in there. See? I'm just gonna pull it through. Now we're just gonna stretch it. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what you think about this beautiful hairstyle. Thanks again. Bye.